Here's how to change name on YouTube from PC or mobile. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your YouTube account. Then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the YouTube Studio or click on the Your Channel option. Now you will be able to view this page. Tap on the Basic Info tab. Now in the name box, remove your old name and enter a new one. Here you can also change your YouTube handle. After changing your name, tap on the Publish option. You can also follow these steps on mobile device to change name on YouTube. So that's how to change name on YouTube using PC or laptop.